Good morning, class 9th. Today, exercise 8.1, question number 10. Question is ABCD is a parallelogram and AP and CQ are perpendiculars from vertices A and C on diagonal PD. See figure 8.21. Show that first part triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD and second part AP is equals to CQ. So here ABCD is a parallelogram in which diagonal BD is there and AP is perpendicular to CD and CQ is perpendicular to BD. Okay, AP is perpendicular to BD and CQ is perpendicular to BD. So we have to prove these two things. Let's do it. In triangle APB and triangle CQD. Okay, these are two triangles. First is AB is equal to DC. These are opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay, second is you can see this angle is 90, so this angle will be 90 also. Angle 1, angle 2. So angle 1 is equals to angle 2, each 90. And the third thing which you have to write, this is, you just see it, this angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. So we can write angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are alternate interior angles. Therefore, triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD. Okay, this is AAS. Congruency is AAS. Okay, so first part is proved. For second part, since triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD, therefore AP will be equal to CQ by CPCT. AP is equal to CQ. You can write CPCT and you can also write, since triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD. So this is all about question number 10. Now question number 11. Question number 11 is in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equals to DE. I'm just making the figure. Then you will come to know what is given and what is to prove. Here we have these two triangles. A, B, C, and this is D, E, F. Okay, so C and F are joined. What is given? AB is equals to DE. This equal to this, and AB parallel to DE. AB parallel to DE. Given, you just write given AB equal to DE. I'm writing in very short, and AB parallel to DE. One thing is this. Second, BC is equals to EF. This BC is equals to EF and parallel. BC parallel to EF and BC parallel to EF. Okay. Vertices ABC are joined. Now what we have to prove? To prove, you just write all the parts. ABED is a parallelogram. I'm not writing any part, I'm just doing proof only. So proof. ABED is a parallelogram. Okay. See, this in triangle ABE, in quadrilateral ABED, in quadrilateral ABED, okay, what is given? AB is equals to DE and AB parallel to DE. So now, if in any quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, then it will be a parallelogram by definition. Therefore, ABED is a parallelogram by definition. Okay, if it is a parallelogram, then another pair. What is another pair? AD and BE. So AD will be equal to BE and AD parallel to BE. Further we will be using it. So I'm writing this here. Opposite sides of parallelogram. This is another pair of opposite sides. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Now second part, you have to prove. Second part is BEFC. BEFC is a parallelogram. Again the same thing we are having. Proof of this BEFC. You can see BEFC in quadrilateral BEFC of BC is equals to EF and BC parallel to EF. This is given. Here you can write given also. So by definition, therefore, BEFC will be is a parallelogram. Again, this is by definition. By definition, it will be a parallelogram. And now the second pair, BE is equals to CF and BE parallel to CF. The remaining pair, BE is equals to CF and BE parallel to CF. This is opposite sides of parallelogram. Another pair of opposite sides, okay? Opposite sides of parallelogram. Now, third part, AD parallel to CF and AD equal to CF, you have to prove. See, AD parallel to CF. Here we have proved in third part, you have to prove AD parallel to CF and AD equal to CF. Now see, AD is equals to BE. Since AD is equals to BE, and here you can see CF equal to BE. CF equal to BE. And the same thing is with parallelism. AD is parallel to BE and CF parallel to BE. This is CF parallel to BE, okay? Now here you can write AD is equals to CF. Therefore, from above, AD is equals to CF and AD is parallel to CF. Fourth part, you can see AD equal to CF and AD equal to CF and AD parallel to CF. Since AD equal to CF and AD parallel to CF, we have just proved this, proved above. If we have this, then this ADFC or ACFD, it implies that ACFD is a parallelogram. This is by definition. Okay, now fifth part. See here, if ACFD is a parallelogram, it means AC is equals to DF, AC is equals to DF, and AC parallel to DF. This is by definition. Okay, now in fifth part we have to prove AC is equals to DF. AC is equals to DF. These are opposite sides of parallelogram. Because this is a parallelogram, opposite sides of parallelogram. Now sixth part, we have to prove ABC and DEF. In triangle ABC and DEF, AB is equals to DE. This is given, and BC is equals to EF. Again, this is given, and the third thing, AC is equals to DF. We have just proved above. So here I am writing triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, so this is by triple S congruency. So here we were having 6 parts. All the parts are very, very simple. So you can do this. Thank you so much.